If you're new to Xander's channel, welcome! If you want to continue to follow his adventures, hit subscribe. Also, please hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment, and share. So you probably heard that greyhounds are fast and that they like to run. And it's true, they are fast, and sometimes they do like to run. But if the truth be told, mostly what Xander does is, well, I'll let him explain that for himself. Once he's rested, then he does this. A few seconds of spinning, little walk to go potty, and then, well, he has to get back to the important things. Yep, sometimes he even falls asleep with a toy in his mouth. Greyhounds, they sleep. They sleep a lot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to continue to follow Xander's adventures. Click that thumbs up button if you like the video. Share the video and leave a comment for us. Have a happy day.